Hey everyone, it's Raven. Welcome back to the Nest. When I tell y'all I'm so happy to have my camera back, I don't know what to do. My last couple of videos I had to record on my phone and then I couldn't get the editing right. Y'all seen the videos. Y'all seen the videos and how the ratio aspect. Yeah. Let's just say I'm very happy to have my camera back. Got my lens fixed. It's working up now. It's working now. So what I'll be doing for you all today is checking in on my savings challenges. I've kind of been doing this weekly, keeping you all updated on my progress and how I'm doing, because I am on the road to save $10,000, and might I add an extra $10,000, because I do have other things and other savings going on that I've kind of been doing really since last year. So like I said, this is why I always kind of emphasize extra 10,000, because this, like I said, is on top of everything I'm already doing. So if you are interested in seeing how I have fared this past week with these savings challenges, stay tuned. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this $1 monthly savings challenge, where we ended off last week for savings challenge number 1 for the month of May. I had achieved $276, which was where I needed to be as of last week. So let's go ahead and tally up where we are right now, and then I'm gonna do screenshots and all that good stuff too. So I need to mark off for the 24th. I don't understand why I don't mark these off throughout the week. I just don't. 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th. Because today is Monday the 31st, and I have yet to move over today's amount yet. Kind of how I got into the routine and the habit of doing this is when I wake up and get my hygiene together, I go ahead and record this video before moving anything around. So let's go ahead and calculate that up so we can know exactly where we are and where we need to be. Got a little smudge on my phone. Okay, it's just gonna be there. The smudge is just gonna be there. Okay, so we have 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, so that means that I should have saved $189 for this past week. So I'm gonna go ahead and write that down. And for those of you who may be tuning in on just this video, I'm going to link above in the cards kind of a video where I go in depth and kind of explain exactly what this is, but I'll briefly talk about it here. This $1 monthly savings challenge is a challenge that I'm doing the entire year of 2021. Essentially, each month I am saving the equivalents of kind of the day. So on the first, I'm saving $1, the second $2, the third $3, the fourth $4, so on and so forth throughout the entire month. I have been doing this savings challenge since January 1st. Alright, so we said, so thus far I should have $189 that I saved for this week. Okay, $189 for that one. So that is this savings challenge. I'm actually doing 2 savings challenges this year because, like I said, I'm on the road to saving an extra $10K to put towards all of the other house savings that I'm doing. So let's move on to this $5,200 in 52 weeks. Again, I've been doing this one since the beginning of the year, and I will actually zoom in a bit tighter so you all can see. Each week I'm saving a certain amount, and I actually put in 4 columns here because I like to put the dates in just to kind of keep a running total of the dates. This is a weekly amount that I'm saving, so you would just see for that current week what amount you're saving, and that's what you would save. I'm doing my saving amounts on Fridays, so every Friday I'm just going by this chart and putting in, you know, what I need to put in. Alright, so we are actually on week 21. This year is getting out of here, you guys, because this complete half of the sheet is almost done. Once it is done, that means that we are halfway through 2021. I'm so excited to get to the end over here though. So let's go. Week 21, I was supposed to save $70, which I did. So that was going to be on Friday, May 28th when that was saved. So I'm actually going to put $70, and that is going to give us a total there of $189 plus 70, $259. So that is what I should have saved with these savings challenges this week, was $259. So let's go ahead and post us up here some screenshots so we can see where we are. Well, first I want to tell you all where we were last week. So last week, let's see, do I still have that screenshot on my phone? You all, of course, are going to see it on the screen, but do I still have that screenshot? Yes, I do. So here it is. The total that we had last week in the savings account, because like I mentioned in previous videos, I am putting both of these into the same savings account. I was going to do separate savings accounts for it to kind of keep track of each one, but then I decided that really doesn't make sense, because I'm honestly just, you know, I'm going to end up putting it together anyway for the $10,000, which I could have just did one savings challenge that would have gotten me to $10,000, but this honestly was much more fun to do, because I want it to be fun. I want savings to be fun and something I look forward to doing, which I do. I look forward to doing this every day. So like I said, I put both of these together in one account. So I'm going to post a screenshot from last week. So last week I had a total of $1,542.03. Now, with looking at this, the total that I should have in that account right now, $1,801. And I'm going to post a screenshot here of my savings account, which is a screenshot from this morning. Yay! So the total in that account is $1,801.04. That 4 cent, I think that's just some extra, that's some interest over there or something like that. So as long as I'm in the green and in the black, I'm good. So all right, so we are actually on track and where we need to be. We will actually be wrapping up Q1. No, we already wrapped up Q1. Q2. We will actually be wrapping up Q2 at the end of June. So that means that once I finish wrapping up Q2, I'm going to move all of Q2's funds over to my Ally savings account, which is where Q1 is currently housed. I will post a screenshot right here. This is what I saved from the savings challenges from January through March, and I just simply moved it over to Ally because I get a better interest rate with Ally. So I'm going to do the same once I get to the end of Q2 with this. I could start moving it every month, which I may start doing. I'm not even sure. So like I said, once we get to the end of Q2, I will move this entire balance over to my Ally savings account, and then we will start back over in Q3 at $0 in this account. So but I will, of course, you know, keep you all updated with screenshots of that Ally checking, of that Ally savings account, I mean, so that you kind of see that balance growing and growing more to the $10,000. So if you all enjoyed this video, definitely give me a thumbs up. Excuse my little thumb, I'm still quite injured and I can't redo my nails until this one actually heals up. But again, like I said, if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you are not already subscribed. Don't know what you're doing with your life. Definitely comment below. Let me know kind of how your savings are going and kind of how you're doing, and if you're doing any savings challenges, how are they going? Or if you're doing just your general regular savings, are you consistently putting towards savings? Because that is what savings is about. It's about being consistent. It's about consistency, consistency, consistency. So I will check in with you guys later this week, likely on Wednesday or Friday with a new video. Thanks guys. Peace.